Hi everybody and welcome to our Christmas show. We are making some delicious treats for the season. Jodine, what are you starting with?
I'm going to start with I was going to say apple.
No,
there's no apple. No. It's an orange cranberry loaf.
Okay, well I must say you do look maleficent.
Thank you. I'm so tall.
Maybe some people will get that, I don't know. But anyway, I'm just going to zest over here, don't mind me.
All right, so we'll have Diana zesting, and we're going to use the juice of the orange after. Zest first, always. I'm going to start with just getting my flour, the dry ingredients ready. Oops, ding.
Round one.
That's quick.
We haven't been on set for a while.
Got the silliest. I got a cup and a half of flour here, and I'm just going to add some baking powder. How much? 1 teaspoon of baking powder and salt in there. All right, I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to do the butter. So this is 6 tablespoons of butter, which is the most annoying measurement ever.
Yes.
6 tablespoons, who does that?
And why is that? Why is it annoying? Because it leaves that much in the...
Yeah, from a half a cup. This is 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and I'm gonna just beat this till it's creamy. Well, you're zesting, it's starting to smell really good.
It really is.
All right, so here we go.
And just like that, wham! You're done. This has just been too many things that we can play with here.
I got a lot going on here. Okay, so I just cream those together. Like Diana said, make sure that your butter is warm or else it's a bit of a disaster. And you wear it a little bit. I'm gonna add 2 eggs to this.
I need a knife. Nope.
Feel you.
Nope, they're in my drawer. Never mind. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm slicing up the oranges that I've zested. So I'm going to see how we do with a half. Oh, nope, don't do that. These things slippery little suckers.
So what we need is we need a 1/4 cup,
Right?
of orange juice. We're going to add to the milk. How much milk do I have?
We'll work it out.
Quarter cup of milk.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. We're going to add it, and then we're going to add some zest of 1 orange to this as well, and this will be the wet ingredients.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. I think that's pretty close.
Okay.
Where's the border in there? The bottom
At
line?
the very bottom line. We're a little test here.
I would say that's perfect.
Damn! All right, and I'm going to steal some of your zest here.
Yes, please do. Here, let me get that for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to leave a little bit for the glaze that we're going to put on after.
Oh, I can always do some more, but...
Okay, should we go?
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Okay.
Go for it.
Okay.
The zestier the better.
Okay, so this is my wet ingredients and the dry. So we're just going to do it half the dry, half the wet.
Okay, and when do you need the cranberry?
After.
Okay.
And what you can do, if you can add like a tablespoon of
Yeah.
flour, that way the cranberries don't sink to the bottom. It's a little trick.
I didn't know that. That's a really good trick.
I don't like this way. All right, do you want to dump your
I will.
cranberries in? And you just want to fold them in so you're not bursting them all open.
Okay, and then we need to add some butter to the pan.
In the meantime, I turn the oven on to 350.
Easy peasy.
All right. It smells good in here. The orange is pretty good.
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
All right, throw it in the oven for about 40 minutes till it's golden brown. If you use a toothpick, make sure you do it in a couple places just in case you hit a cranberry.
All right, good tip.
Here we go.
All right. Okay, hi everybody. We are now going to try one of my family's favorite Christmas recipes. It's if you like pumpkin pie and you like cheesecake, then you'll love this because it's pumpkin cheesecake pie.
And it has cheese.
See?
Cannot.
Always comes back to cheese.
Cannot not have cheese.
Cannot not. Okay, so Jodine is going to work on one part of the ingredients. She's going to do the spices and the pumpkin puree, and I'm going to work on the cheese part of it. Surprise. All right, so we start out with the Philadelphia cream cheese, so 2 of the 250 gram packages. Make sure it's soft because you do need to blend it. Have it sit out on the counter for a little bit. All right, at about medium speed. Okay, sorry, one half of a cup of sugar went in there. And we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just gonna eyeball it.
Oh, you're allowed to eyeball.
We're on a budget here. We don't have the little cups, the little spoony
for
things.
both of us.
All right, so we got that in there. All right, so we got that in there. And then we're gonna add 1 egg at a time. All right, 1 more egg, please, Jodine. You wanna crack it on your muscle?
No, I destroy it.
Okay, so at this point, Joe's got the puree and all the spices, and we have the cheese part. So we're gonna take a cup of the cheese, and it's gonna go on the bottom. So we got about a cup there, and it's gonna go here. Okay, so what were the spices again that you put in there?
I did cinnamon.
Yeah.
I did generous cinnamon. I mean, I did half a teaspoon. I did nutmeg and then a pinch of cloves.
Perfect.
Okay.
So we're gonna pour it in here.
And that was on top of half a cup of pumpkin puree.
Great.
All right.
So I'm just gonna blend this part together. Put this on top.
That's good.
It is going to be good. All right, and so this goes in the oven at what degrees, Jode? And for
325. It's about 35 to 40 minutes. You say, yeah.
Yeah.
Till it sets up. All right, we're back. We've got the giggles. So the loaf is out. It's been cooled. It's to room temperature. The pie is out. It's still a little warm.
It's a little warm.
But it looks amazing. It's set, doesn't even move. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna make the glaze for the loaf. So we're just gonna get some juice from some oranges, and that's gonna, instead of water, we're just gonna make it just a consistency so you can kind of drizzle it over. And I have a little bit of the zest left that Diana did earlier, so we're gonna add that to amp up the orange flavor. So this is a cup of icing sugar. I'm always scared I'm gonna make it too runny.
Well, I got my topping. That was hard.
I'm gonna add a little bit of the zest.
Oh, that'll thicken it up.
Yeah. So it was a little bit too runny. I just want it to, a little bit more. Just to drizzle, but not like run right off it. And if it's not cooled down completely, your icing will disappear. It'll just be like a clear glaze. So you wanna see it because it has that cool zest in it. All right, I'm just gonna drizzle it over. Look at that zest in there.
Nice drizzling technique.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doesn't have to be perfect. I put it on this pan and I put like wax paper underneath so it's easy cleanup. You don't want to do it all over your counter.
Very smart.
Yes. And you can see the yummy layers that you did. That looks delicious.
Thank you. Thanks for
Yes,
noticing.
it looks really good. And I'm gonna just slice a few here. And then you'll be able to see the yummy. That's okay. Oh. But it looks, you can see that yummy.
Oh, look at that.
Yummy cranberries in there. And So, do you
Very
want the
nice.
heel?
I will, yes, thank you. How did you know? It's my favorite.
It's easier to. This looks amazing, and it's very Christmassy, and it was super simple.
It was, yes.
You'll
Here,
look
let me
fancy.
go and get a plate for our cameraman who's going to come over and do a taste test and see who the winning dessert is.
Okay, what am I trying here?
All right.
Okay, so you have the delicious.
Okay, but that's my heel.
Okay,
He
so
gets
you
that.
have the delicious
I want the heel.
cranberry orange, or you have that.
Well, you could have that, or you could have this delicious pumpkin cheesecake
Ooh,
pie.
cheese, it's so hard on your tummy.
With some delicious. Here, would you like more whipped cream?
No, that should be good.
You
Thanks.
can put whipped cream on
Don't
that.
Mmm.
Mm.
Oh, that's really good.
Oh, really, really good.
I didn't mean to try the other one.
He doesn't need to.
He did try in rehearsal.
Okay, let's see here.
We didn't try the cranberry.
I'm probably tell which one's better.
Because you took them both.
Do you need
before
another
swallowed.
bite?
Let's just see.
Ooh, cranberries are tart.
Yeah, they are tart.
Oh, really good. With the orange in it.
It's a good combo.
You're both winners,
Comment.
in my opinion.
Aw, you can keep your day job.
Thanks.
Thanks for coming out, Mike. That's Mike, the cameraman, producer, director. All right, so there you have it. What is it called again?
We'll call it cranberry orange loaf.
Like it? Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
Christmassy. And what do you call yours? You always add words or
I
change
do,
words.
yeah. Just making sure you guys are listening. Pumpkin cheesecake pie.
There we go. So
All right.
enjoy, try these recipes, let us know how you do. Take a picture and send it to us, and you can win a prize.
Merry Christmas.